Okay, so first I just want to work on the C scale, but I also want to work on bow distribution. Just because I know a lot of people are afraid to use the whole cello.
Yeah, I have a tendency to stay around the frog.
Okay. Alright, so with the C scale, first we'll play it regularly. We could probably, are you okay with doing quarter notes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we could play it regularly, and then next I want to break the bow in half. So we'll do the crochet on one side of the bow, the crochet on the other side of the bow, and then put it back together.
So we'll go like...
Yes, so we'll probably do...
Oh, slurs? Okay, so
yeah,
we'll do like...
so two in a bow, but like only up to the middle.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah, okay, so let's just do quarter notes, separate bow.
Okay.
For start. Okay. 1, 2, here we go.
My fourth finger definitely went out of tune too.
Okay, so next what I want to do is, I'll play a couple. So, and we're gonna stop at the middle of the bow and then go back down to the bow, and we'll do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you're only gonna stay like at the bottom of the bow.
Okay,
yeah. So like what this is basically like it forces you to stay at the bottom of the bow, so your hand gets used to being like. Closer over here.
Yeah, okay.
And then
we'll
likewise.
do the tip. Okay, cool.
Okay. Here we go. So we ended up. Do you want to do that one more time?
Yeah. No. I got off track at the end.
Yeah, that's fine. That's whatever. Okay, here we go. Do you want to start at the top?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Great job. Alright, so one thing I'm noticing, especially like when you go back to the frog, you start to kind of tilt your bow upwards. So what you want to do is like kind of make sure that your wrist kind of stays in that pronated like bent motion, especially like as you're going to the frog, because then you're gonna want to go like this if it stays straight. Oh, okay. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's do just one octave, starting from the bottom. Make
full
sure,
bows or what?
Just at the frog for right now. Sorry, one octave.
Sorry.
That already looks a lot better, and I saw that you were like focusing on your wrist, and that it kept the bow going straight across. And it also like if your bow's going like this, that'll also mess up your tone. I know you said you wanted to work on that. Okay, so let's do the same thing just at the tip of the bow. So it'll be tip to the middle.
Sure.
Here we go. You want to start from the top? Here we go. That sounded really good. So one tip I would probably use is you wanna so your cello is stable in between your legs. When you're playing at the tip, it feels a little awkward, right? So what you want to kind of do is kind of maneuver the cello so that you have better access. Yeah, and you don't even have to do it with your hands. Like it should be like comfortable enough where you could go like this. Yeah. So when you're at the tip, then you could like fully reach over to the A string. You want to try one more time?
Yeah.
Alright, start at the middle of the bow. Perfect. Here we go.
Do you like this, right?
Do you want to start from the top?
I thought of something and I was like, wow, that felt so good. Really? I was like, man, that was awesome. Wait, that felt so cool. It? Yeah, moving it, I was like, oh, that felt perfect.
Yeah,
and then I was like,
so much. Especially like when you're like playing repertoire and it's kind of like it gets a little bit faster. I feel like moving just like helps, you know.
Yeah, but it's like you're connected to the instrument.
Yeah, that too. Points. I like moving. Okay, all right. Let's try from the bottom one more time. Do you want to go a little bit slower?
Sure.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sounded awesome. Okay, let's put it back together, full bow. Try and get it frog to tip. Do you need me to move over?
Maybe I'll scoot. I can scooch a bit. Well,
turn this right apart a little bit. I don't want you to be able to like use full bow. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna scratch this.
I think actually, I might need to bring my hand out of it.
Do you think it's sliding? Do you feel it sliding?
No.
Okay, I was about to say, because you could always take the rubber off.
Yeah, I can take the rubber off, but that wasn't the issue, it was this.
Okay. Alright. Remember, full bow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want to do quarter bows? Or do you want to do 2 slower than bow?
I'll do one.
Okay.
Let's do that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sounded 100 times better. That sounded really good. Okay, so let's do the arpeggios. Sure. I'm thinking wait, do you have to do up until like the whole thing? I was thinking just do 1, 2, and 3.
I can just play through the whole thing real quick.
The whole thing?
See where it is, yeah.
Okay. Alright, so just play 1 through 3, and then I just want to watch you.
Yeah, sure.
really good. Two things I would say. You want to try and use full bow because then it'll produce like a more fuller sound. Also, your hands looked really good. I just noticed you were kind of going flat a little bit, so you want to try and maintain as much curve as possible. And like you were still kind of like hovering over the thing, which is good because like some people tend to lift. But you just want to make sure that it's curved so you have like more flexibility to get to the notes faster. Okay, so let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Try and keep your fingers curved. Full bow. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's no so. Oh, I'm playing it wrong.
Okay, I was like, wait. Yeah. I was like, something sounded a little weird. Perfect. Okay, yeah. Do you have your book on you or no?
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Okay, I would just like make sure to like write that in because I think I heard it and I would say something and I realized when we were playing I was like, wait, did I mess up? And I was like, no, okay. Okay, so yeah, just make sure you do CG.
Yeah, fifths. Fifths, not third. Although, wouldn't that be fun doing this in thirds? Now I'll do it in thirds. Thirds, awesome.
Okay. Do you want to try it one more time? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right. Here we go. Don't add it.
It doesn't.
Don't add a note there.
Oh wait, doesn't it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Very good. Okay.
I sometimes I have trouble reading, just because like I read with my ear mostly. Like I'm just kind of like. Oh, that's what it's trying to
right.
do.
Yeah,
I read with my ear a lot, which
I completely get
gets me in trouble.
Yeah, especially like during like ensemble, because like especially like if we're reading a new piece and it's like more so chromatic, and then it switches up a little bit. I'm like, this is how I think it should be.
Yeah, it's like this is what I think it should sound like, and then I'm like, oh no, you ain't you are not the composer.
Yep. Okay. Do you want to do this part here? Okay, so I was thinking you can play the top, and then we'll just go straight and flip.
Sure.
Okay. You can start.
Can we try that again?
Oh, you want to do the whole thing again?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. That was fun.
That sounded really
good.
All right, now let's switch parts.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I just had trouble reading that.
I was just about to say.
I just had trouble reading the F.
Right here.
Yeah, start right there. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you feel about that?
Felt good.
That felt good?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it sounded really good. Again, I would just use full bow.
Use more bow.
Especially during those quarter notes when you have to like hold it out. Like really. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Actually, can you just play
Sure.
the 6 measures? That sounded really good. Okay, try these measures one more time.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. That sounded really good. Okay. And you said this one?
Yeah, we're doing these 2 exercises.
Those 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do this one?
Let's do this one first.
This one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's just very patterned.
Yeah. Alright, do you want to do it by yourself and I could listen?
Yeah, does that work?
Yep.
Where am I? Oh, there I am.
Okay. That sounded really good. A couple of things that I noticed. So in the first exercise, I would be careful with those half steps because they kind of sounded the same to me. So you just want to like make sure you give yourself enough distance so that they sound different. Also, is there a certain tempo that you have to take it at?
No, I mean I can take this like.
Okay, I was gonna say take it slower.
Oh, okay, take it slower?
Yeah, I would say take it like a little bit slower just so like you can like fully hear the difference between the 2 half steps,
making sure, okay.
Yeah, because there are some times where like you couldn't hear the difference for one, but two, like it was like so fast that like I feel like you didn't give yourself enough time to like fully place your fingers.
Okay.
And it sounded a little bit scratchy. So if you kind of wanna just give yourself enough time to do the string crossings, like there's no race.
Yeah.
Alright, try that one more time. That sounded a lot better, honestly. Okay. Yeah,
a lot richer.
Yeah, I could hear. First of all, your sound sounded like more full. There was a good distinction between all the half steps. What? Yeah, half steps. Also, I feel like you felt a little bit more confident. You did start to speed up towards the end, so I would just say like if you practice this again, like use a metronome. Yeah. Definitely use it to a metronome, just so you could like work on like keeping a steady tempo like towards the end. Besides that, it sounded really good actually. Like when you like just slowed it down a little. Yeah. Okay. Again, I would also just work on the full belt, and then also I realized when you're doing that, your arm started to like hug your side a little. So like especially like when you get towards the end, I know it's like tedious, especially like to go slow, but kind of just make sure that your arm stay like it doesn't have to be like your whole shoulder,
but like, good posture.
Okay.
Do you want to play the duet?
Yeah, sure. I did not practice that one, so if I mess up, I'm so sorry. That's a good tempo.
Okay. You count us in?
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I definitely
tuning. Hey, you know what? Honestly, we did it.
Okay.
We did it.
Do you want to start? Where's it going?
Yeah, I gotta work on keeping my bowings consistent.
Yeah. There is a part like in here. Do you want to start like from here?
Yeah, I'll start from that.
Okay. You got it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. messed up though, but it's all good. Just make sure you keep your arm out. Do you want to switch? You do the bottom line?
Yeah,
Do the
I'll
top?
play the bottom line. Ooh, let me see.
That'll be the last thing we
Here's
do.
some sight reading practice, yeah.
Do you have to play the bottom?
No.
Oh, you don't?
No,
okay,
but
so
I can play it.
Don't worry about it. You
No,
sure?
I'll play the bottom, yeah.
Alright, that'll be the last thing I do for fun.
Okay.
Do you want to do a little bit slower?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry.
Do you want to step in here again?
Yeah, let's start with this part, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry.
You're good. Make sure you use 3.
Bottom line.
Okay. 1.
And we're starting here?
Yeah. Here we go. That was some good sight reading.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Fun time.
Alright. Thank you so much for doing
Yeah, no
the
worries.
lesson with me.
Thanks.